Hello, my name is Lin Bin Kun, and my student ID is 1547002. And this is my forensics investigation project for BIT362. The target application I selected is Dropbox, a popular cloud storage platform. In this project, I will demonstrate how forensic technicals can identify who uploaded or downloaded files, even if the user tries to spoof their identity. And the purpose of investigation is Dropbox is often used to store and share files in both corporated and personal contexts. I wanted to know whether forensic technicals could trace specifically user actions, such as uploading, downloading, or preparing a file using network analysis, log inspection, metadata, and spoof detection. And the experiment setup for this investigation, I used Wireshark to capture network traffic, and the Windows Event Viewer for system logs, and the Xtor to examine file metadata, browser history analysis to verify file access, VPN and MAC spoofing tools to simulate hiding a user's identity or actions were performed using two Dropbox accounts in a controlled environment. And the technique one is network traffic analysis. First, I started Wireshark and filtered traffic using the domain dropbox.com. Then I uploaded a file using account A and downloaded it with account B. Even though the traffic is encrypted, I was able to identify the Dropbox IP, detect the file transfer session, record timestamps and the data size. This helped me confirm the time and the source of activity. And the technical tool is Windows Event Viewer. Next, I open the Windows Event Viewer to inspect application logs. I found entires showing when the Dropbox app was launched and when file access occurred. These logs contain precise timestamps, user information, file access paths. This local evidence supports what I found from the network capture. And the technical three is metadata. analysis with X exiftor, and I use exiftor to compare metadata of a JPG file before and after uploading. The files created and modified times steps and the technicals and the files created and modified times steps remained intact in Dropbox. This proves Dropbox does not alter metadata, which can help investigators verify timeline integrated. I also tested timestamp spoofing, but the metadata showed inconsistencies that could be flagged. And the technical flaw is browser activities and history. When I assessed Dropbox via a browser and previewed the file, browser history recorded the preview URL, time of access, user agent, browser, and OS info. This provides user level traceability even without direct logs from Dropbox. Technical 5. VPN and MAC spoofing test. I use a VPN to change my IP and TMAC to spoof my MAC address. Then I uploaded a file again. Despite the spoofing, Dropbox still logged the correct user account. Timestamps still matched the system logs. Network traffic changed, but not user identity. This shows that identity spoofing can hide IP MAC, but not account-based actions. In conclusion, I found that Dropbox actions are traceable using multiple forensic methods, even when users try to hide their identity. Logs, network traffic, and metadata provided evidence. Cross-validating tools give a more accurate timeline. Account-based servers like Dropbox are harder to spoof. I have learned that completely different forensic techniques creates a stronger case in investigations. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much.